Helium, have you ever delved into the fascinating world of diodes and their equations, especially in MATLAB? They seem to hold a lot of power in electronics.
Absolutely, Emily. Diodes are like the gatekeepers of current flow, and expressing their behavior in MATLAB equations gives us a deeper insight.
So, what's the basic MATLAB equation that describes the behavior of a diode?
The fundamental equation for a diode is the Shockley diode equation. In MATLAB, it's expressed as
I_D=I_S*X V_D/N_V_T-1.
Here I_S is the reverse saturation current, N is the ideality factor, and V_T is the thermal voltage.
I see. How about the classification of diodes? How do their equations differ?
Take Zener diodes, for instance. Their behavior is captured using MATLAB like this.
V_Z=V_Z0 plus R_Z*I_Z.
Here, V_Z0 is the knee voltage, R_Z is the dynamic resistance, and the _Z is the Zener current.
And Schottky diodes? How do their MATLAB equations look?
Schottky diodes have a unique equation due to their metal semiconductor junction. It can be represented in MATLAB as
I_D=I_S*X V_D/N_V_T-1 I_L.
Here, I_L is the reverse leakage current.
Moving to practical applications, how are these MATLAB equations applied in real-world scenarios?
Diode equations in MATLAB are invaluable for circuit design. In rectifier circuits, for example, they help us calculate the expected output and efficiency when converting AC to DC.
Lastly, why is it important for students to understand diode equations using MATLAB?
Understanding diode equations in MATLAB is like having a toolkit for electronic innovation. Whether you're working on LED displays, power supplies, or renewable energy systems, MATLAB equips you to make informed design choices and optimize performance.
So, by mastering diode equations in MATLAB, students gain a practical skill set to shape the future of technology?
Absolutely. With a solid grasp of diode equations in MATLAB, students can tackle complex electronics challenges, delve into semiconductor physics, and contribute meaningfully to the field of engineering.
In this MATLAB-infused conversation, Emily and Liam explore diodes equations, discussing their significance in classification, types, and practical applications. They emphasize how understanding diode equations using MATLAB equips students to excel in electronics and contribute to technological advancements. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like to our channel.